See, good morning, good morning. This is what they don't tell y'all about these passion twists. So, I'm here to tell y'all, I'm here to put y'all on game because it didn't work out for me. It didn't work out, but I made it work. I made it work, y'all. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing what I learned, keep watching. Like, literally, keep watching. Anywho, don't talk about my face. Don't comfort my face. This is what I have on my skin because it has been trying me lately, like the past few months. And this is the hair that I use, Epic Crochet Water Wave 22 inches 1B. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I don't know if yours will have it, but this is what I had at mine. Go copy some. It has 3 bundles in it. Anyway, I use this gel, edge wax. That's all I had. I had a brush and a comb somewhere. And I used these cheap ass rubber bands. Yep, they cheap. They didn't do anything they were supposed to do. And yeah, let's get started. So, oh yeah, you're gonna need some scissors too. Anyway, so I started with this little piece that I got hanging down on the side by my ear. And you want to go in and make sure your part is straight and good. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna be right back. Hold on. Yeah, so once you get that part all straightened and looking the way you want it to look, you just want to, detangle that a little bit, make sure it's all good. Then add in some gel, like I did, like so, like that. I think I put it on the top and the bottom. You want to smooth that in, and that just helps the line be crispy. You can go back through that and get your part all good, but you want to put that gel in and rub it in. And I'm being bougie because I got nails on, y'all, and I never do my hair with nails. But anyway, brush your hair like you see me doing right here. So brush that gel in, get it all slick at the roots. And then, yeah, I cleaned it up a little bit. But the trick here, because I had those cheap ass rubber bands, I had to split my hair into 2 pieces here. And then I started twisting. So I did this twisting method where I just did 2-strand twists. And I only did it for, a short amount of time. So it was maybe like 4 or 5 twists. And then I stopped. Maybe a little bit more than that, but you get the gist. So I didn't twist all the way down the hair. So I stopped there, and then I grabbed the twisting hair, water wave. This was one of the first attempts to doing this twist. So watch. So what I started doing was basically I wrapped the hair around the hair that was twisted and created a braid. So just like you would do a feed-in braid or a box braid, I started braiding it, and then I started twisting it shortly after braiding. Um, so I attached my hair once I got to a length that I was comfortable with braiding, and that was just to hold the twisting spot. That was just to keep it from, sliding down down my hair. So I grabbed the remainder of my hair and put it next to the wavy hair, and then I started twisting. Now here is where it gets funky and just plain out. These people ain't telling you the truth. Oh, by the way, add you some gel to the end of your hair. I didn't do it throughout the entire part of my hair, but if you have coarser hair, my hair is pretty fine. You can add it throughout, but I just added it to the very end to slick out the end of my hair. But anyway, as you can see, I'm twisting down. It looks okay. It looks okay. Great, right? And then once I got to my desired length, I measured it to the opposite side. And then I used those cheap ass rubber bands that I told y'all I had. And yeah, I put the rubber band on the end of the hair, and then I chopped it off. Here is me trying to do this for the second go round. As you can see, I'm working on the second piece, and I'm still struggling. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing, how to do this. So as you can see again, just to give you another close-up, I started off braiding just for a little bit, and then after I braid to a certain length, I attach my hair to the wavy hair, and then I started twisting. So as you can see, that is about how far I braided. Now, the hair was getting tangled. I don't know if this was that brand, but nobody talked about hair being tangled, but it does. So, yeah, I struggled with that for a bit. So then I started twisting the hair. As you can see, I'm still trying to figure out, like, do you have to twist it a certain way, or do it have to go the front or the back? So I was just confused, y'all. I was confused because I didn't know this was going to be that hard. I was like, oh, cute little twist out. I can do this. This is easy. No. So apparently the hair, the two braiding hair strands have to be lined up consistency. I can't talk, y'all. It has to be lined up exactly the same. Again, you want to slap your gel on and twist all the way down. It wasn't until like the third or fourth try when I actually figured out what the heck I was doing. And you're going to see, I was letting this hair go like, ooh, bam, ooh, you doing something. And truth be told, I wasn't. I was not. I was not. So here we go again. Try number 3. We're going to see if we're going to get it together this time. Probably not. Y'all, when I tell y'all I thought this was gonna be easy, I truly thought this was going to be easy. So as you can see, again, I'm at the end of my hair where I'm going to add some gel just to slick this down and twist it all the way down. I let it go, and that was better. As you can see, it was better than the first two, but not, I'm still confused. Now y'all see that twist right there in the front? Girl, I did it again. I took that twist right there out and I twisted again, and I was able to replicate that twice. And again, the trick to this is to make sure your hair strands, the two pieces of hair that you pick up are going the same way. That's going to be the only way that this works. If it does not go the same way, it's not going to work. Yeah, and it's hard for me to explain it. I didn't even record a clip of it, but oh my god. Anyway, I rock this style. I did what I could, and that's about all I can say. If you're going to do this, make sure to know it's going to tangle. You're going to need all that stuff that I mentioned at the beginning. You're going to need some better rubber bands. Instead of doing the method that I showed you, you would actually put the rubber band on the base of your hair and loop it through like crochet and then twist. That's easier. But yeah, y'all. And like I said, the two pieces that you use, and if you use one, you wouldn't run into this issue. It's only if you use 2 or more strands of hair to twist into your hair. Look at that. It did. Y'all, I'm done.